Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the essentials, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging if the app requires it, and install a reputable auto-clicker. Once installed, immediately open settings and grant accessibility permission so the app can simulate taps. Make sure the device has more than half battery and set screen timeout longer. This prevents interruptions during automation. Now that permissions and power are handled, you're ready to create your first tapping profile and place the initial tap point on screen. Next, build the click sequence by adding tap points and adjusting their exact coordinates. Drag handles or enter pixel values for precision. Set the interval between taps and the tap duration to match the app's response time, and choose repeat count or loop indefinitely depending on your goal. Use multiple points if the workflow needs navigation, and insert deliberate delays to allow screens to load. This avoids mistaps. Once the pattern behaves predictably in preview mode, you'll prepare to start automation. Finally, run the script and watch the first 30 seconds to confirm taps hit intended targets. Stop immediately if something misfires. If taps miss, refine coordinates or increase delays, and make sure the app remains in the foreground. Sometimes permissions can revert. Verify accessibility is still granted, and if the service stalls, toggle the accessibility switch or reboot the device to reset the service. With those fixes, rerun your profile until it performs consistently, and then save the stable configuration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.